Creating a pop-up text animation in CapCut on PC is pretty straightforward. Launch CapCut on your PC and start a new project. Import your video or background where you want the text to appear. Click Add Text and type the content you want. Customize the font, size, color, and style using the options available. With the text selected, go to the Animation tab. Choose In Animation. Look for animations like pop, bounce in, or similar effects that create a popping up feel. Adjust the animation duration to make it snappy. Afterwards, duplicate the text and write another text. Resize and position it as needed. If you want to make it more dynamic, combine the pop-up animation with sound effects like a pop or ding. This can enhance the effect and make it more engaging.